Jai students, today we are going to discuss chapter 6 exercise 6.1. Okay, our chapter 6 is triangle and its properties. Question number 1 in this exercise is in triangle PQR D is the midpoint of QR. D is the midpoint of this line segment QR. Okay, now we have to find PM, PD and is QM is equal to MR. See PM is a perpendicular in QR. Okay, perpendicular in QR. So here we have 90-degree angle, that means PM is our altitude. Okay, PM is our altitude. PD is, now see PD, D is our midpoint and midpoint divide this line segment in two equal parts, QD DR. Okay, so a vertex from point P to its opposite side, or you can say a line from vertex to the midpoint of its opposite sides is called median. Okay, so PD is our median. Now see, is QM is equal to MR. See, QM is equal to MR. Is it possible? Not possible, because we already know D is the midpoint of QR. And midpoint divide this line segment in two equal parts, QD DR. QD is equal to DR. So it is not possible that QM is equal to MR, because PM is a altitude and M is not a midpoint. Okay, M is not a midpoint, so it is not dividing this line segment in two parts. So we can write QM is not equal to MR. Why? Because D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of QR. Okay, because D is already midpoint of QR, so QD is equal to DR, not QM is equal to MR. Okay, now see question number 2. Draw rough sketches for the following. A is in triangle ABC, B is a median. B in triangle PQR, PQ and PR altitudes of the triangle. C is in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude of the triangle. Okay, so you have some command like ABC and you have to make according to these commands rough sketch. Okay, now see first one, in triangle ABC. So you have to make a triangle, and on that triangle BE is a median. You have to make BE is a median. So see, let's make triangle ABC. A B C. Okay, E is a median. Okay, so we know median. What is median? Median is a line from vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. So we need B. So we are start it from B to E. E is a midpoint, that means B is a median. Okay, you can also make in this way. A B C. Okay, so from B vertex to opposite side Okay, here E is a midpoint, so B is also a median. Or you can make in this way also. If we have A, B and C, so from vertex to the midpoint of it opposite side BE, B is also a median. So it doesn't mean if we make this one and these two are wrong. You can make in these three, in all the three ways we can get this answer. Okay, so whatever you have made, first one, second one and third one, your answer is correct. Now see question number second B part. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitude of the triangle. Okay, see in rough we can make in this way PQR. Okay, altitude from vertex P, altitude from Q and altitude from vertex R, we can make in this way, but we need PQ and PR, and here P is common in these, in both PQ and PR. So how to make? See, we can make in this way. We need altitude in both line segment PQ and PR, and P is common. That means we can make P as a vertex here, and P is common, PQ and PR. So we will join Q and R. Here P is, angle P is of 90 degree, and we got PQ and PR as an altitude. So in triangle PQR, PQ and PR altitude of the triangle. So we have to make this figure. See C part. In C part, in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude of the triangle. Okay. C part, in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Okay, exterior of the triangle. That means if we have triangle XYZ, okay, X, Y, Z, so we have to make an altitude in the exterior. So we will extend this XZ, and we have to make YL an altitude from it, from exterior. Exterior means outer part of this triangle. Okay, so extend this XZ to L, and then YL, make YL perpendicular to XZ. Okay, YL is an altitude of this triangle XYZ. See question number 3. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. So you have to verify here that median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be same. We all know property of an isosceles triangle is let ABC be an isosceles triangle, and isosceles triangle, opposite side of an isosceles triangle is equal. Measurement measure. Okay, now first we have to find median. We have to make median, name it ABC and then C. Definition of median is a line segment from vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. So we can take midpoint as D. AD is the midpoint. Okay, midpoint divide these two sides in equal parts, BD and DC. Now we can say AD is also an altitude because perpendicular made from vertex to its opposite side. is called an altitude. So we can also say AD is an altitude of this triangle, or AD is perpendicular to BC, and D is a midpoint. D is a midpoint, so BD is equal to DC. So we can also say AD is a median. So you can make this figure in this way. So here we can write isosceles triangle means any two sides are same. Take triangle ABC and draw the median when AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. AL is the median. Okay, or we can say AD. AD is the median and the altitude of the given triangle. Okay, AD is the median and altitude of the given triangle. Thank you.